Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze Illinois Toolworks. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with help of fast graphs. A market cap of $87 billion, the current stock price is 186.98 and they operate in the industrial machinery industry. During the last 10 years, they have actually outperformed the S&P 500 by quite a lot. And this is where the dividends reinvested for both SPY and ITW. Let's check some financial data. The sales growth the past 5 years has been 1.2%, not the fast growing company, that's an X. The earnings though is better, 8.40%. The analyst expects future earnings to be about 7%. The threshold is 8%, so that's an X. The return on capital has been 22.4% the last 5 years. And the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is about 4 years. Now some yield data. A healthy dividend yield of 2.8%. Last year they bought back 1.58% of all their shares. The payout ratio is about 58%. And the dividend growth rate for a 5-year period is 12.7%. Very good. And they have actually been increasing their dividend for 26 years. So this is actually a dividend aristocrat. That makes up for a score at 8 out of 10 points, not bad for ITW. Let's check the valuation in fast graphs. Here we have Illinois Toolworks in fast graphs, and during this 15-year period their earnings growth is about 7%. This is in line with the S&P 500, which also is about 7%. If we go back to 2007-2008, the financial crisis, we can see that the earnings actually dropped off quite a lot, from $3.36 to $1.93. Industrials tend to be a bit more cyclical than other stocks, but all in all it wasn't a disaster and they kept increasing their dividend at least. If we plot their normal PE, which is about 20, compared to the current price, we can see that right now the valuation looks a bit steep. If we project out to late 2024, analyst expects an annual return of about 4%. So this stock probably need to come down a bit to be a great deal. Please hit the like button and also watch my latest video where I go through my dividend stock portfolio and the dividend received for September. See you soon!